What is up, you guys? Welcome to our channel.
Hey guys, so if you do not know, we have been using Madison Reed for years and years now, and we're obsessed.
We love them. They have really great at-home color kits. They have color bars, but today we're gonna tell you guys how we maintain our color at home. Okay, so I'd say we probably dye our hair every 2 to 3 months at home using the color kits, which are so easy to use.
Yeah, they're incredible. They come with everything you need, and we even have a couple of videos actually using it, so we will link those below for you guys if you want to see. So one of our favorite products for maintaining our hair color is the Color Therapy Color Depositing Hair Mask in the shade Cafe. This stuff is so easy to use. It's basically a colored hair mask that you leave on for about 5 minutes or so in the shower, and when you rinse it out, the before and after results are incredible.
Seriously, you guys, every time she uses this product or I use it, I'm like shook with how good our hair looks.
They also have a couple different shades for each hair color, which is seriously incredible.
So another product that we love using, it's kind of the same thing that Haley was just talking about, but this is their Color Reviving Gloss. They have it in every shade, just like the Color Therapy Mask. And they also have it in a clear version, which I just used. But basically, same kind of concept. It's like a hair mask. All you do is put it on dry hair, not on wet hair. Leave it in for about 30 minutes or so. And honestly, the results, I'm shaken. It makes your hair so glossy, so smooth, and completely revives your color.
Another product that we absolutely love to maintain our hair in between colorings are the Pro Boosters.
Seriously, you guys, they work so freaking good. They're basically like a little leave-in mask. You put this in your hair when you're showering, and you guys, your hair looks so good afterwards.
And feels even better. All right, so moving on to some styling products, one of our absolute favorites to use is their Tame Color Protecting Smoothing Cream. This stuff is amazing. It eliminates frizz, it helps smooth your hair, it keeps it shiny, it protects it all around.
Honestly, it works so good, you guys. You can put it on your damp hair or your dry hair, and look at my hair, you guys. It's so smooth. I have like no frizz. Love that for me. Another product that they just came out with, I think it's newer and we love it. It's their Loud and Proud Volumizing Foam. All you do is put this on your roots when your hair is like damp and jam, boom. You got a little bit of volume in your hair. It looks so good.
And last but certainly not least is Madison Reed's Root Touch Up. This stuff could not get any more incredible. It's basically like an eyeshadow for your hairline. So if you're anyone who suffers with any kind of hair loss or receding hairline, or even just have a little area where you just want to touch up and fill in.
Or if you have grays coming in, just thin hair like Haley was saying, anything like that, you literally just get some on the brush and just hit those spaces. Like I feel like I need to do it right now, and it literally makes the world of a difference, especially if your hair is up. So there's a little pro tip for you.
Again, they have this in a couple different shades too, so it works well for everyone. So as you guys can tell, we are obsessed with Madison Reed.
Honestly, we love them. We have been coloring our hair with Madison Reed for literally like 5, 6, 7 years.
7 years?
It's insane, you guys.
Can't believe
our
it.
hair always looks good. We love the products.
We also have codes.
Yes, we can save you guys some money. You can use either Haley 20 or Jordan 20. Use mine though. And it will save you whether you're going into one of their color bars, which are such a fun experience, online on madisonreed.com or in Ulta. If you guys have any questions on what we use, specific colors, shades, anything like that, we'll link them below, or just ask us in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye. Should we vogue? Hair vogue? Ready? 1, 2, 3.